Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy app not working due to missing devices. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Birdfy app not working due to the missing devices, so you just follow this video. First thing is guys, you update your Birdfy app. So Birdfy occasionally experiencing a temporary cloud server outage that cause the device list to fail. So open your device, go to the app store for iPhone and Google Play Store for the Android and search for the Birdfy. Then you download the latest version patch. After that, check for the global server outage. So if your app shows an error like connection failed or the connecting to the server, so it might be known the technical issue on your Birdfy end. So you logged out the app and logged back in, force and refresh your server ping. Then check the official Birdfy help center for ongoing maintenance update. Then guys, clear app cache. If you update the app but still devices are still showing glitches, so you simply go to your phone settings, then click the option of app, select the storage and tap the clear cache and reopen the app, then re-logged in. After that guys, check repair the camera. If the devices has been entirely unlinked from your account, so you will be need to re-edit manually. So you open the camera and tap the option of plus icon on the home page and and power on the camera and press the power button twice to enter Wi-Fi pairing mode until the blue light flashes, and ensure your phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and hold the QR code generate on your phone and screening in the front of the Birdfy cam lens to finalize your pairing fix. So these all are these fixes that you need to perform on your application, so and your camera. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.